So what I have here, I have 2 small beetroot and 2 small carrots, and I'm just allowing the vegetables to cook until they're soft and tender. I have some thinly sliced chicken breasts, and I've placed them in some seasoning water, and you can use your favorite seasoning blend. I'm using a mixed season. So I just bring the water to boil over medium heat, and I'm allowing the chicken breast to cook for about 8 minutes. So our beets and carrots are cooling down in some ice water, and our cooked chicken is also cooling down. So what I have here, in Jamaica, we call this the rat ears bush, and the reason for that is because of the heart-shaped leaf. Now this have a really nice flavor. It's normally used to make tea for babies, but it has a really nice flavor, and it's a great substitute for lettuce. So this is what we'll be using today in our chicken and vegetable sandwich. Now if you have lettuce, you can go ahead and use that, and I'll put the correct name for this on screen. And what I did, I went ahead and I've washed it, and I have it here in some ice water. Now I'm just going to go ahead and drain the water from the beet and the carrot, and have them shred up. So just remove the top and the bottom from the carrot and have them shred up. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same to the beets. I'm going to try and see if I can remove the skin from the beets. I'm going to cut away the top and the bottom from the beet, just the same. Now our beets are nicely peeled, and I'm just going to go ahead and have them grate or shred. So now that we have our beets and carrots ready, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and grate some garlic into both of these. Now to the carrot, I'm going to add some mayo, and you can add any amount you want depending on your preference. So I'm adding mayonnaise to both the carrot and the beet. I'm just mixing this together. And the best thing to do is to start with the lighter color vegetable. So you want to mix the carrot. If you're using the same spoon, you want to mix the carrot first before mixing the beet to avoid the color from blending. So I'm just going to set these aside. Now to this, I'm going to add some mayonnaise. So I've added a little sugar to this, some light brown sugar. And I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar. I'm just going to mix everything together. So to this, I'm going to add our rat ears bush. So I'm just draining it well. Mix that together. Toss it well in the sauce. And we have our chicken. So now that we have everything together, we have our beets and mayo, carrots and mayo, our cooked chicken, our rat ears bush, our lettuce with our sauce, and we have our bread. So we're going to go ahead now and arrange our sandwiches. So for the bread, you can remove the crust, but I'm keeping mine on for this sandwich. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and place some of the lettuce or rat ears bush on the bread. Then I'm just going to add some pieces of chicken to this. And I'm going to top this with another bread slice. Now to this bread slice, I'm going to add some of the carrot mixture. And I'm going to top this with another slice of bread. Now to this, I'm going to top it with some of the beetroot mixture. And then I'm going to top this with another slice of bread. And there you have it, guys. So I'm just going to cut into this so you can see what it looks like. So this is what our sandwich will look like, guys. Isn't that beautiful? So you have your layer of chicken, carrot, and beet. Now tell me, who wouldn't love this sandwich? And the sandwich is great for parties, or you can use it for lunch, for school lunch for children, or you can just enjoy it whenever. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment so we can chat. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple recipes. And go ahead and click that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Come on, guys. Go ahead and share the love. Thanks for watching.